you guys ready to see me turn into Charizard?
And me into Pika.
Smash that subscribe button and give this video a like. And now I think we're ready to get on to the video. Ready?
I'm starting off with some lid primer. I'm gonna paint my face yellow. I'm just using face paint.
I'm doing kind of a makeup look in case I'm doing a like face paint look.
And I'm just gonna put about 2 dots on my eyes. This is acting like the primer, and what this does is it just makes everything
more vibrant.
Looking good, dude.
My mom's gonna help me outline a flame. Now we have the outline, and now we can do the eyeshadow.
I'm using this red to outline it. See the fire outline, guys? I'm done with the yellow. Now I'm doing the red for my cheeks. Using the circle sponge. And then I'm gonna
It's Pikachu! Pika Pika! You look like Pikachu, dude.
I know. So now I'm using a red. We're gonna do the black.
My Pikachu has a mustache. Look at it.
Why did you rectangle? I didn't mean to. Now I'm gonna do the orange. I'm doing the black Pikachu eyes. Now my Pikachu is ready. I'm gonna let Daya finish and I'll be right back.
So now I'm doing the yellow. Now I'm just gonna finish the flames.
And I'm just doing it with yellow.
And now I'm gonna do my eyebrows. Now we're adding the red eyeshadow. Now I'm adding the metallic orange. I'm spraying the brush with Max Fix Plus. And I'm using this metallic makeup geek color called Vegas Lights. Charizard has orange and then some blue for his wings, like this. We're gonna use this pretty blue, just kind of underline it. Now we're gonna add mascara and lashes. Here's what we're doing for the lips. So I'm using this red and orange. We're doing red on the outer part of the lips. These are from NYX. Now I'm doing the orange on the inside. Now we're gonna do some dragon scales. And we're just gonna take it and kind of go like this. And then use these colors with the sponge and then dab it on. It's gonna look really cool.
All you do is dab it on.
Now I'm taking a little bit of this orange glitter and putting it on my face. We're gonna add a little bit of orange and red hairspray to my hair. Now I'm adding a teeny bit of blush to my cheeks. Here's my final Charizard look. It's my favorite look I've ever done. Where's that Pikachu? Here's Pikachu.
Pika Pika.
Charizard.
Pikachu.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. I think this is one of my favorite videos. So please, please, please make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. And please, please, please subscribe to mine and Caitlin's channel. I hope you guys love this awesome Pokemon look. And if you guys want a Daya Daily t-shirt, just go to the Daya Daily shop. I love you guys so much, and we'll see you in my next video. Bye!